Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever opened Steam only to find that one of your games has mysteriously vanished from your library, don't panic. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix Steam games not showing up in your library in just a few simple steps. Let's get right into it. First things first, open your Steam app on your computer. If you can't find it on your desktop, just type Steam into your search bar and open it from there. Once it's up, make sure you're logged into the correct account. Sometimes missing games are simply tied to a different Steam account, so double check your login details. After logging in, look at the top menu and click on Help, then select Steam Support. This will open the support page where you can manage all your purchases and games. Now, look through your recent activity list for the game that's not showing up. If you don't see it there, use the search bar to find it manually. Once you locate the game, click on it, and here's the key part. Select the option that says it's not in my library. Steam will automatically run a quick check to figure out what's going on. Sometimes the issue is that the game was accidentally hidden. If that's the case, you'll see an option that says remove from hidden. Click that and your game should instantly reappear in your library. If the game still doesn't show up after this, don't worry. There are two more things you can try. First, go to your account details and check your purchase history to make sure the game is actually registered to your account. And second, if everything seems fine but the issue persists, contact Steam support directly. They'll help you restore access quickly. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix missing games in your Steam library the right way in 2025. If this video helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick PC and gaming fixes. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.